This one's freaking cool. We haven't had one from this far away in a little while. TJ and his family drove all the way from Indiana to come get a truck done, and it's probably gonna be the baddest F-150 that we have done in a long time. We have a 2018 F-150 all black with the red accents. You know we gotta have the red accents on it. 8-inch FTS lift, 2614 Artems that we put in a different video, and some 37-inch tires. It's getting rear traction bars, it's getting reservoir coils and shocks and all kinds. It's gonna be a nice truck, and I'm super freaking excited. TJ drove all the way from Indiana, so you know we gotta show love to him on the channel. They're about to get it pulled in just a couple minutes and get started on it. Look at the beautiful, I know my Ford people are in the comments like, yes, we're building a Ford today. We're gonna get to see some Ford content. You know what else? I got something else I got for y'all later in the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We finish up our most recent any level lift that I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of at the end of the video, so you guys need to stay tuned. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, stay tuned. TJ, your boy's about to get pulled in. It's about to be freaking sweet. I'm so excited. It's been a rough couple of days. We got back from Orange Beach late on Sunday, and I've been sick for the last couple of days, so I haven't been filming as much, but I definitely feel a little bit better this morning, and we have a lot to film today, so I definitely needed to get that energy back. We just booked our flights from Miami this weekend, so in the next video you guys will see me go to Miami. We got a lot going on, and I got a lot to show you today. TJ, we have most of your lift kit done. Like I said, I wasn't filming too much yesterday because I felt like absolute death, but we got the front of your FTS kit on, front and rear cross members. We've got the front box compression struts on as well. We should have everything here for your traction bars. So traction bars should go on today. Just want to give you an update kind of halfway through the video, show you what's going on. And then we've also got our new any level lift up here today to show you guys today. Super excited about this one. It's got this really nice Nardo gray, and this is actually the same red color that I'm gonna do on my wheels and lift kit on the Silverado. So as the day starts, we'll get it outside. We got a little bit of testing, a little bit of retorquing, test driving stuff to do, but this one's getting picked up today, and this one will definitely be around the shop a good bit in the weeks to come. He's a local guy, super nice. Sam and Mark, some of the nicest customers that we have, and it's really cool when we get to build stuff with people like that, because it's just a good time all around when you have customers that are local and they just, you know, you kind of have a good relationship with them. So super excited to show you guys this one today as well.
I never listen to the critics. They try to steal you from your feelings for cash. You tell me with the two hands, I'm too bad.
I can tell.
Why?
The keys are fucking different.
The hood's different?
No, the keys. This is a special hood that he's got, but the keys are different.
So we got this 2023.
I told you.
Yeah, look, it's got the new dash in it. 2023 Trail Boss.
Anytime it has a key like this.
Getting a McGaughy's kit and some 2414s. Ooh, this is freaking nice. It's been one of them days today. We got a lot of cool stuff up here today. A lot of cool stuff. Getting a McGaughy's kit. I like that blue color. I put it as a black truck, but it's blue.
Yeah, because you're colorblind.
Because I'm colorblind.
You put a red truck as white.
Colorblind, ADHD, all of it, right? That thing looks good though. It's gonna look even better with a 9-inch McGaughy's lift, huh?
Only said it is 7.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Yes,
It's gotta be a 9. Yeah, look, you can really see the color in the sunlight like that. That's gonna look good. That's gonna look good. What are we eating for lunch? Bleep?
Why you gonna bleep me out, dude?
Cause I can't be putting all that in the video.
Why?
Can't be putting all that.
Who's telling you can't?
Me.
Why?
Cause I got kids at home that watch this.
Bro, them kids live in 2023.
Look, we're finishing up the AT4, the rough country. Hey, Jonathan. We're finishing up the rough country of the AT4, 26s. That one will be cool with the Furious. Front end on the AT4. We're finishing up TJ's truck today with the 8-inch FTS. He's getting 2614 as well. Those 2614 Artem Curvises in the black and middle with the Furies are freaking nice, bro. Makes me kind of rethink what I'm doing right now on that new AT4. Dang, that's freaking sweet.
Public, but know that I'm published, we settle for safety. Not in the street, but I'm on the same muscle. That schedule been driving it crazy. They talk like they know me, but know that they bluffing unless it's somebody that pays me. Keep minding your business, the money been printing, my nigga just gotta go get it. I'm in the zone.
We haven't done an updated McGaughy's versus FTS video in 2023, and there's no better opportunity to do it. We have this 2023 Trail Boss out here. We finished up today with the 7 to 9-inch McGaughy's adjustable kit. Got the really nice billet faceplate in the front. We went ahead, upper control arms up top, and then this kit does come with the boxed front compression bars with the accent pieces as well. 2414 KG1, I believe it's the Rays, and this set of amps. This guy's from a couple hours away, so shout out to the people that like to drive to come see us. Brand new Chevy. And then we've got a F-150. This is TJ's from Indiana. We did an 8-inch FTS on this one. You see FTS has that nice satin black front crossmember with the diamond accent pieces in it, and we upgraded this one to the box front bars as well, and this one will be getting traction bars before the build is done as well. But a 2614 Artem off-road Curvis with some Venoms. Super cool to have an 8-inch FTS and a 9-inch McGaughy's sitting next to each other, so you guys can kind of see a comparison. Now, one's a Chevy, one's a Ford, so the size comparison really isn't going to be as true as I would like it to be. The main thing we're looking at here today is how do the kits look out of the box. There's been no alterations or no changes made to this one out of the box, and no changes to this one, so no colors, no accent pieces, anything like that. So just kind of giving you guys a kind of side-by-side look at what the two cross members look like and what the kits look like outside of the box. And obviously once we get them test driven and retorqued, we'll have them side by side so you guys can see it. A couple of cool ones that I get to show you today. So the title and the thumbnail is FTS versus McGaughy's, but our rough country lift is getting picked up today. We got this 2022 GMC AT4 that we did a 4-inch rough country, so it's sitting 6 inches total with a 2614 Artem Curvis black and milled, 35 1350 26 Fury MT. It's my favorite tire in that size, 100%. The Fury MT, the design, the shape, all of it, the ride, road noise is manageable. Everything about the Furies are great. I don't know why we're around the shop right now, just since it's all the way across, we're all a big fan of the Artem wheels right now. So shout out to Artem, they're killing it. The designs, especially the Curvis and the all black, which you'll see on the FTS kit later, and the black and milled on the GMC is freaking beautiful. I love the Artem wheels right now. You got 2614 and 35s on what is a 6-inch lift on this new body style GMC. We didn't have to do, well, we did end up doing a lot of cutting. So you can do a 35 and a 2614. We got to do a fender modification in the front, you know, covered up with some trim on the outside here. Take the mud flap off, you do some trimming in the back, push the fender liner back and do a little bit of trimming down here. As clean as possible that we can make it. The Furies, the Artems, the lift kit. This is a way that you can see, one, a 6-inch lift kit on these new AT4s, how big it's going to be compared to a 5'10" on a good day, scrawny white dude. Well, not so scrawny anymore, but we're really that wide for the time now. And the 35 on a 14 wide, you kind of see the width. Rough country on their diesel models. This is an AT4 diesel. Has this faceplate on the front, which is super cool. So it's not just like a black lift kit anymore. It's kind of got a little bit of a silver faceplate. So something a little different that Rough Country's doing. Love this body style. Love the refreshed front end of the new GMCs. But to compare it, we have a 2023. It works out so perfectly. We got a 2023 Trail Boss over here with the refreshed front end. I absolutely love it. You guys know I'm a Chevy guy. You know that wide bow tie. You know we're all team Chevy over here. 9-inch McGaughy's lift. This is one, you get a size comparison between a 9-inch and a 6-inch. They both have 35s on it, so the tire size doesn't matter here. You just get to see the size difference, a wheel well gap, how much trimming's necessary. We got a 35 1350 amp MT with a 24x14 KG1. I believe it's the Rays model. So same width, same height tire, same everything, except we got 24s and 26s over there. But like I said, it just gives you a comparison versus, you know, how much cutting you're gonna do, and just so you can see the lift kit side by side. McGaughy's comes with all the accent pieces, which is really nice. Come with the accent pieces on the front compression bars. We upgraded the upper control arms. McGaughy's has got the nicest cross member in the game. Comes with all the billet accent pieces. High gloss lift kit. It's my favorite of all time. You guys know that's what on all my trucks, will forever be on all my trucks unless we go Ford or something later on. But they make Ford lift kits and new Ram lift kits too. So shout out to McGaughy's, best lift kit in the game right now. Beautiful set of KG1s. I mean, you can't go wrong. I think the only thing, I'm an honest person, only thing I'd change about this truck is I'd do a little more trimming on it, throw a 37 on it, maybe some 26s and ride out. But Jeremy is a super nice guy, and I love the way this truck turned out. I was a little skeptical at first, but I really do like the way the truck turned out. A little bit of trimming in the front, not enough to add some of the trim. You know, if we start doing more trimming, we start adding a little bit of the trim. So got this cleaned up front, and then we never even touched the back. Didn't take the mud flap off. No trimming necessary with 35s. If you do a 37, it'll look like the other side. So essentially, if you went to a 37 on this one, you'd see how the cutting would look on the other side. So, but it's just kind of cool to be able to have the two side by side. Updated for 2023. We haven't done it on both the refreshed front ends. So you got the Trail Boss versus AT4. You got a 9-inch versus 6-inch, 26s versus 24s, 35s all the way around. No better way to showcase the two. So let me know in the comments what you guys like better. You like the Chevy or the GMC? You can see it. TJ, all I'm saying, bro, is you're gonna have to change the picture that you got on this thing. Where's the picture at? I can't get the truck to show the picture that was on here again, but your truck don't look like that no more, so you're gonna have to change the pictures on here, all right? Because he had a picture of his truck, but it definitely don't look like that no more. We went over the McGaughy's kit this morning when we brought it out with the other GMC. We've got TJ's truck finished up today. We finished up 8-inch FTS with a 2614 Artem Curvis. It's the same Artem wheel, Artem off-road wheel that we put on the GMC this morning, except this one's all gloss black instead of the black and milled. I really like the all gloss black as well. We got him hooked up with a set of quad row infinite wheel lights, which is super beautiful. And then he had a set of rock lights on there already. We got the FTS upper control arms on there with the 8-inch FTS kit. Beautiful cross member back there or under there. We got my man hooked up with the front compression bars, which is super freaking nice. FTS gives you the option to do the tubular or the box ones. And then we've got your rear traction bars that you can see back here. And we've actually got a chrome overlay on the back piece as well, which is really cool. The truck's not 100% finished. We got to do a retorque real quick. But for time's sake, I want to make sure to go ahead and film it. And we got to take the plastic off here in a minute. 2614 Artem Curvis, 3714 BOWTIE 26 Venom RTs. Which one you rocking with? You like the Trail Boss and the McGaughy's? Okay. Okay, I guess.
And if I was wondering, it is like
like a rock?
Yeah, mine is like a rock.
What y'all thinking? Do you like the more satin black lift kit that FTS has? Or are we rocking with the black with the billet accent from McGaughy's? TJ's gonna be here tomorrow to come pick his truck up, but before the McGaughy's kit leaves today, I wanted to make sure that you guys got the opportunity to see the side-by-side comparison, and let me know in the comments below. We got a, oh geez. Oh, I didn't know if you were trying to hit me or not. That 8-inch FTS does really look good on that truck. The Trail Boss is leaving today. I wanted to give you guys an opportunity to see it sitting next to an FTS kit. Let me know in the comments what you guys rocking with in 2023. McGaughy's, FTS, Rough Country, which one's your favorite? TJ finally came and picked the truck up. I gotta leave for the airport in a couple minutes, so when you guys see the next video, I'm going to Miami in like 20 minutes, but I appreciate you guys coming all the way from Indiana or making the stop to drop the truck off with us. I love you guys till the end of time, and it's cool that humbly I can stand in front of people from out of town and just show love and just show appreciation for you guys coming from so far, and it really means a lot to me and the guys at the shop, and it just, I'm living a dream is all I'm saying, so we appreciate you guys. I'm doing it again, I'm sorry. I love y'all. Let's get this bread.